What's going on, everyone? Back with another video. This time we got something a little bit different. I got a bunch of vintage baseball packs. And I also picked up, I know it's only a PSA 4, and it was only $5, but I just wanted a PSA card. So I picked this up for $5. It's Harold Baines rookie card. I thought it was pretty cool, only $5. Anyways, so the packs, we got 92 Donruss. that was like, these are not expensive. Like, that was maybe like 50 cents or something. We got some 89 Donruss, so that one's gonna be really good because we want that Ken Griffey Jr. This was 1991 Donruss Series 2. Again, it was like 50 cents a pack. And then we got 87 Fleer. Gonna be looking for a lot of good rookies in that one. So I say we go, let's just open 92 Donruss first. I have yet to open any of these packs before. As you can tell by my voice, I'm not the, quite the old guy. It's before my time. Okay, so see, I know nothing's gonna be worth a lot. And events like Eddie Murray, looking for like, it's a rated rookie. Carlos Garcia, Dennis Martinez highlights, Sam Horn, Lou Whitaker, Darren Jackson, Scott Radinsky, Pedro Munoz, Dave Henderson, Paul Gibson, Russ Swan, Steve Decker, a checklist card, and some puzzle pieces. So, you know, I saw a couple of Hall of Famers in there. Got Eddie Murray, or maybe I only saw one. I don't know. Got a rated rookie. Probably just like passed over a Hall of Famer, and people are like, "Oh my god!" Anyways, let's get into this 91 Series 2 Donruss. These are true wax packs. These are like actually wax. Pretty cool. So, Willie Stargell puzzle piece on the back. And yeah. Jeff Schultz, Rojas, Petrie, Holmes, Ozzie Smith. I'll take that for that PC, because, you know, Cardinal. I don't really care if they aren't worth anything. Like, I'll still keep it because it's a Cardinal. I mean, I'm keeping all of these. Who the heck's gonna... What am I supposed to do? Sell them off for a cent each? Don't think so. Okay, we got another one. Gonna have another Willie Stargell piece there in the back. And yeah, so we got my boy Doug. Just kidding, don't know him. Who's this? Len Dykstra and Dale Murphy. I do know them. Jimmy Kramers, Sam Horn, Jack Armstrong, the Jack Armstrong. The Jack Armstrong. Kurt Young, Steve Decker, rated rookie. That name sounds familiar, so maybe he was alright. Who knows? Jose Rijo, Bud Black, and Jim Needlinger. Lots of nice, interesting names. Alright, now we got the actually decent packs. I think this, I paid a little bit more for that. I think this one was like $3. These were $1.50 Canadian. So let's get into this. Try and pull a Ken Griffey Jr. rated rookie. That would be fantastic. Got some more puzzle pieces, because apparently every older pack has puzzle pieces. Got Dave Winfield, Ted Power, Dale Strawberry, nice player, Terry Kennedy, Greg Walker, Diamond Kings, Gerald Perry, Danny Jackson, Bert Blevin, Kyle Gruber, Harry Cotto. Hey, let's go. Gary Sheffield rated rookie, not bad. I think it's Gossage. Richard Gossage. I know who he is. He's amazing, but I always pronounce his name wrong. The Gary Sheffield rated rookie, not bad at all. Next one. Come on, Ken Griffey Jr. Jeff Robinson, Pat Daniels, Brady Anderson, Glenn Davis, Tolliver, Manny Lee, Mike Campbell. This is a pack where I mean, I know Randy Kramer. I don't really know a lot of guys in this pack, to be honest. Again, 1989 this came out. It was not a thought at this point. So, probably don't know a lot of these guys. I do know a decent amount about baseball, but not as much as I do football or, you know, it's football. What do I also know? I probably know some hockey more because I live in Canada, so. Cardinal. Eddie Murray, not bad. Frank Tanana? Dennis Eckersley. And, oh, Sandy Alomar. That sounds familiar. I feel like he was a decent player. I'll take another rated rookie, though. That's not bad. Like Gary Sheffield, nice. And we got 87 Fleer. Okay, so we got some Padres National League sticker peel thing. Anyways. Is it? I know it's probably Brian, but why the hell would you ever spell that Brian that way? So, if you're watching this and your name is Brian and it's spelled like that, I'm dissing you. I don't care. I don't know why you'd spell it like that. Phil Lombardi and Dave Magadan. Major prospects. That's not. Those names sound familiar, so they might have been decent. My boy Bruce Chewin. Gorman Thomas. John. Yep. Bill Matlock. David Leiper. Okay. Cardinal. Mike Maddox. Wow. There's some big names in there. It's got, Gary Carter, Darryl Strawberry, Drew Gooden. The second guy? Fernandez. Sid Fernandez. And Hernandez is not on the back of the card. Anyways, I know Carter, Gooden, and Strawberry. So, 3 for 5, that's a pass. That's a pass on the test. So yeah, got Gary Sheffield rated rookie and Sandy Alomar rated rookie. Not bad. Showcases Harold Baines at 81 OPG. PSA 4, but we'll pretend it's a 10. Look at that. It's a 10. PSA 10 Harold Baines, woo. He has, finally got a PSA card. Did not have any graded cards. But anyways, yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. And yeah, I'll be catching you in the next video. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.